Varsha. Yeah, today I wanted to talk about the topic that was one of the topics that was given to me, which was, will AI replace your current job or will it create more job opportunities for us in the future? And I feel like AI is not capable of replacing human beings. It is able to carry out a lot of activities that we do as humans, but certain aspects cannot be replicated even if we try to. Like, for example, humanity, like problem solving skills, and stuff like that, that is learned through experience and not encoded into your system, I would like to say. AI was meant to be used as tools. It was created to reduce the work that humans have to do. A good example for this is ChatGPT and all the generative AIs. I would also like to argue that human-made products are better than AI-made products, is what most people think as of now. So there is a sense of humanity and the human touch that lacks in anything that is made out of AI, let it be content or any form of service. And humans have this innate um, feeling of knowing what to do and when. So if AI started replacing our jobs, it wouldn't be able to do 100% of the jobs as it should be done. Because at the end of the day, jobs are designed to be made by humans. Manual labor is a good example of careers that will be taken over by AI eventually. As of now, I like keeping up with the current updates. I don't think we are there to the point yet, because in manual labor as well, machines are equipped a different way and humans are equipped a different way. So in order to take out certain tasks, like take on certain tasks, you need even like a little bit of human common sense and knowledge that cannot be encoded and can only be gained through experience. So instead of taking over our jobs, I feel like AI has the potential to create more jobs for us, depending on like jobs that are fit for human beings and like fit for a particular group of skills individually. So I would like to also use the example of our parents' generation not being exposed to as many things, and I think the development of AI has opened up like a whole new possibilities in the world of like in terms of careers and what we can do, because our parents had limited options. It was either 4 or 5 options for them. So I think it's already in the works with what AI is doing, but in the future I hope to see like a lot more careers that are being funded by AI. In conclusion, I would like to say that AI will provide more careers for our future growth instead of replacing our dream jobs. Thank you.